lovelies, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be making afang soup with shikini money, I mean low budget afang soup. And if you enjoy sucking your periwinkle like fium, that's what we call it, fium, this video is for you. Watch and see how you can wash this periwinkle properly to avoid sucking nonsense into your mouth. Here are my ingredients: seasoning cube, yellow pepper, crayfish, pomo, my afang leaf. It's actually fresh, just that I used some crayfish to bring it out from the grinder. This is my water leaf, my dry fish, periwinkle, my beef. So the first thing is to cook our beef. I've added some seasoning cubes, salt. So I'll cook without water as usual now. This is after like 5 minutes. I've added some water for the beef to cook properly. I'll go ahead to prep the remaining ingredients. I like slicing my water leaf before washing, because I notice sometimes when I wash before cutting, it tends to be slimy, a kind of. So I prefer, cutting it dry, then I'll wash. So this is how I wash. Though sometimes too, I just go ahead to wash before slicing. To the water, I added some salt. I would have done everything about the vegetable in my sink, but I'm making this video at night. That's part of my kitchen is not well lit. I'll still make use of the sink, off camera, like when I went to drain. So this is my periwinkle. For those of you that enjoy doing this but they don't know how to wash it, when you want to cook with periwinkle this way, please go for the bigger size, like the king size, just like what I showed you now. If you go for those tiny ones, you might not know when you swallow it together with your swallow. I added some salt and I'm shaking. Shake very well. Can you see? Just look at the color, as instead that is dirty. So I'm going to the sink now to drain the water. I'm back. I'll cover the pot and shake again. Shake. You shake for like at least a minute. If you watch closely, notice that the dirt is not that much in this second one. This is the second one. The water is becoming clearer. So this is the third one. I'm still going to shake. I might not show you this, but this one I'm adding salt again. So this is the second time I'm adding salt. So I've shaked off camera. So you notice something, like the dirt that usually stick to the cover of the pot, they are not there. Like the thing is now very clean. So you just need to rinse like 2 to 3 times, and so look at it. The first water I will rinse, I will remove the water and put another one, wash like 2 or 3 times, and that is it. So look at it. This is the third water I've used to rinse, and it's very clean. So let's begin the main cooking. Now our meat is properly cooked. I've added my pomo. The pomo is soft, that's why I didn't add it earlier. So I'm now adding my yellow pepper. Now add the periwinkle. Guys, I hope you've subscribed to my channel, and I know your fufu or your semo is ready, waiting for the soup. You can add the dry fish now before adding. You can add the dry fish, your crayfish, before adding the water leaf. But I want to add my own this way because my dry fish is very soft. It's soft, so I'm trying to use my spoon to push it in. I don't want to put it and leave it to cook before adding water leaf and all that. Everything will scatter. So that's why I'm adding everything at once. So I'm adding, this is seasoning cube now. My crayfish. When making Afang soup, dry fish and crayfish is the main thing. Now I've added red oil and I covered. Why I didn't stir immediately, I just wanted the heat to kind of reduce the volume of the water leaf. That is just for like a minute, and I'm back now to combine everything together. Guys, this fium thing, that is the periwinkle kind of aroma it is releasing, oh my god. So I tested, there is need to adjust the seasoning, so I added salt. So I'm adding the okazi now. Don't mind the look of this okazi, it's fresh like I said, just because I mixed it up with the crayfish, that's why it is like this. And steam at the vapor will not allow my video to be clear. Oh my god, you open pot everywhere steam. So I'm topping the red oil now. If you know Calabar Afang soup, this is how it's been prepared. Oil. After I added the Afang soup and oil, I covered again, allowed to cook for like 3 minutes. And now I'm back to. Okay guys, see you in my next video. Bye.